Madam President.
Majority Whip.
Thank you, Madam President. Madam President, America is now in the middle of the Schumer shutdown. 2 in 3 Americans oppose it. Democrats are holding the American people hostage. They're demanding $1.5 trillion in new spending, and that's just to keep the government open for 4 short weeks. Well, that amounts to $48 billion a day. Here's what the Democrats are demanding. They're demanding more taxpayer-funded health care for illegal immigrants. At the same time, they're taking away money from vulnerable hospitals in rural communities in my state and in yours. Under Joe Biden, Democrats opened our borders. 10 million illegal immigrants flooded across. Under Chuck Schumer, Democrats have now closed the government. They did it to give free health care to illegal immigrants. Meanwhile, Democrats are demanding the repeal of the $50 billion of rural hospital funds. This has been set aside as a lifesaver for our small community hospitals. That's who this fund has been set up to help, like the one I was at last week in Pinedale, Wyoming. It's our first hospital in the county ever. The closest hospital is 85 miles away. This is a needed, vital resource in rural Wyoming. In addition, Democrats are demanding $350 billion in permanent new spending for Biden's bonus COVID payments. They created these payments in 2021. They promised they would be temporary. They said they're there for the COVID emergency only. They extended them once so they would end at the end of this year. Clearly, COVID is over. And now they want these Biden bonus COVID payments to become permanent, to go on forever. These payments are riddled with waste, fraud, abuse, and corruption. We have seen it. We have documented evidence. Unlike most insurance, there are no premiums, there are no deductibles, and Democrats also removed the income limit. The money goes straight from the government to the insurance companies. The bill goes directly to the hardworking American taxpayers. The Democrats' price to reopen the government are all of those things I've mentioned, plus more. What we are doing as Republicans is proposing to reopen the government for 7 weeks at the current funding levels. The House has already passed it. Republicans and Democrats have voted for it in the House and in the Senate. President Trump is ready to sign it. It takes 60 votes in the Senate to reopen the government. We have voted repeatedly over the past several days. Each time, a few level-headed Democrats have joined Republicans in the vote. It is time for more Democrats to join us today. There's only one person standing in the way, and that's the minority leader. He's holding the American people hostage. He fears retribution from the radical socialist left. Easy to see why. The radical socialist left, including Senator Sanders, Senator Warren, AOC, they have become the Democrat leaders in this shutdown. They're the ones running the party. While the government is stuck in this Schumer shutdown, the people paying the price are the American families. Veterans will face longer wait times for appointments. Members of the military and border patrol agents, they'll continue to protect our nation. They'll do it without pay. Some wildfire prevention, which is critical this time of year, will stop. Wildland firefighters will remain on the job unpaid. Mothers will lose access to vital programs that help feed their children. Sick patients on Medicare and Medicaid may lose home health care services. Small business owners will not receive new federal loans because the Small Business Administration is unable during a shutdown to process them. The American people all across this country are feeling the pain of the Schumer shutdown. Their request is simple. They're asking Senate Democrats to do what they've done 13 times under Joe Biden, to vote for a clean, continuing resolution that will reopen the government. All it takes are a few more Democrats, people who are willing to put the country first. We're about to vote today on another clean, continuing resolution, like the Democrats did 13 times when Joe Biden was in the White House, and that's the one to reopen the government. Republicans are going to vote for it. Democrats have the opportunity today, in just a few short minutes, to do the right thing for the American people. Let's see if they do. Thank you, Madam President. I yield the floor. It's the absence of a quorum.